Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one to outrun me. So give me a run for my money.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Adriana and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So as you guys can see, I only did like one hair video, and after that I put my weave in, and a lot of you guys have been asking me, girl, where do you get your weave from? Why is it so silky? Does it stay silky? How long have you had it in? Is it good hair? Where did you get it from? So today I'm going to be answering all you guys' questions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But first, if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that big subscribe button down below and become a part of the Supreme Team. We are going to the top and the grind cannot stop. Supreme Team, let the newcomers know we are lit over here and we are going to be popping all the time. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. This right here is 16-inch, 18, and 20. Now it goes all the way down to my lower of my back, right? So I got this hair from this site called Mayvenn hair. This is the name of it right here, and the hair also comes in these little baggies. So I have 3 bundles right here, and as you can see, that these are our silk baggies that they come in. And this is, okay, so the hair that I'm about to pull out is a different hair that I'm going to put in my hair maybe later on sometime, whenever. But this is Brazilian loose body wave. So when you open the baggie, it comes like this. Now as you can see, if I put it closely, it has a net on it. Now you just take that little net off so I can show you guys. Hold on, as soon as I figure out. Wait, okay, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, hold on, the hair don't want to come out. Okay, like that. And as you can see, the hair is soft, it's very bouncy, it keeps the curls. It is just so beautiful. It's nice and soft. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can wash it, and it doesn't get messed up, it doesn't get knotted, it doesn't get matted. Like, it's really good hair. It's really good hair, and it's really good quality hair. And no, before I start, no, I am not sponsored by this company, but I wish I was sponsored. So if you want to, you can sponsor me, because y'all hair is amazing. Okay, and yeah, this is the hair. It's very nice and soft. As you can see, I can run my fingers right through it. It's just that soft. You could just run your fingers right through it. No knotting, no tangles, no nothing. It's very soft, and it's good quality hair. I have this hair, this is the straight hair, straight Peruvian hair. I had this hair in my head for a good, I would say a good like month and a half. And I wore this in my, when I first started YouTube, or maybe I didn't post like the videos of me with this hair, but I have had this hair for a long time. It lasted me for years. Like, I had this hair for like a good year now, and it's still, as you can see, it's still bouncing and popping and just, you know, and you can see, like, if you see like how shiny it is, like, it's real good hair. Like, that's how you know. But, and I don't put no product in my hair. I did not put no product, no nothing. All I did was straighten my hair because I needed it to be straightened, and that's all I did to my hair. I didn't put no oils, no products, no nothing. So this is a really good hair company, and again, I'm gonna show you guys the name, and also I'm going to link the store below. So you guys, if you guys want to buy hair, you guys can buy, and it's affordable. It's affordable. It's really not expensive. I'm not one of those YouTubers that be spending $500 on some damn weave. I am not doing that. I refuse. No, hell no, hell no. So if you guys want this hair, or you want this hair, they have more. Like, they have really curly hair, then they have straight hair, then they also have different types of hair. They have Brazilian, which is this is the Brazilian loose body wave, and then you have the Peruvian, and then they have the Malaysian, the Indian. They have a whole lot for you guys to choose from if you want different hair textures. So if you want to give this a try, link will be in the description box below. And also, Should I do a little giveaway? Okay, so I'm gonna state this now. When I hit 1K on YouTube, I'm gonna do a giveaway, okay? Mark my words from this video. Once I hit 1K, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if it's gonna be hair or if it's gonna be something else, because I know I have a lot of beauty girls that probably want makeup or a gift card or whatever. But mark it from today, I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want that giveaway to be soon, make sure y'all tell your mom, your sister, your brother, your friends, your uncle, your aunts, your grandpa, your grandmama. Listen, tell them to hit that big old subscribe button down below and stay tuned for my videos every week, because I post more than once a week, okay? And without further ado, that concludes my video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below. And I mean, hit that damn subscribe button, okay? I see you. I wait. Thank you. Okay. Make sure you hit that big subscribe button down below. Make sure you comment and like my videos and share it with whoever you want to share it with. Your mom, cousins, brothers, sons, uncles, nephew, whoever. If you guys like this. And as always, I love you guys so much. And bye.